Good day, it's Chris again. I'm doing what I call a compliance check for ISO 27001 under character.ai. I've designed this called compliance. And if you see, this is the chat I have been having. It actually provides you with a checklist. So it has a logical sequence. For example, it tells you the answer yes, no, or we are unsure. But as you can see, when we first started this, they ask you specific question. So it tells you whether you are yes, no, or unsure. So I say no, and then it keeps on going. Ask specific question that relates to how ISO 27001 is implemented in your company. So instead of doing the whole thing check as through a checklist, you can use this as a way of going through it. You can also ask questions. For example, the advice here is to appoint a dedicated individual responsible for information security. It's a key requirement. And then you can ask what kind of education is needed. And it will give you a typical answer. Right? And then we can continue, and then it goes through each of the requirements. And then it asks you that you need to have a team. You forgot that I told it we don't have ISR yet. Anyway, it continues and continues and asks about everything it needs to know about your organization, and then and so on and so forth. So of course the question here is that how do you design something like this, right? That's the whole point. How do you design something like this? Okay, so to do this, you can look. The logical way of doing this. It's where is it? Compliance. Let me see. I'm not sure. So when you go into character.ai, it allows you to create the characters, right? So this is the greetings as you see when you first started, and then this is the interesting part, how it handles logic. So based on the process, we have defined certain things. Okay, so proceed to stage one, and so on and so forth. Um, I haven't actually finished everything. It's not complete, but you can see for you to create something that is useful to the people, you need to really know your stuff. First of all, you must have domain knowledge, and secondly, you must know how to put all these things into a logical sequence, just like a program itself. So basically, the LLM, in this case, character.ai, is useful, but you need to be able to customize it for whatever purpose that you need to do. Okay, so this is once I finish, I will upload it again. It's just that it takes a lot of time, and you need to test it. You just can't finish it, and you just forget about it. Okay. Oh, recording started. Why does it say it's not started?